Indonesia must be wary of tapping investment from China based on country's downward economic trend, which could potentially drag Indonesia down with it.
The government's efforts to stimulate the economy through various new policies, from tax amnesty to the economic policy package, are meant to attract investment from developed countries like China. Samuel Sekuritas economist Rangga Cipta wants the government to be mindful of sourcing investment from China on the back of its stuttering economy trend, which has seen its lowest level since reforms were enacted. The China's slowing economy has seen realized investments in several North African states, Laos and Myanmar, grind to a halt.
Tidak dapat dipungkiri bahwa saat ini China memiliki modal yang cukup besar yang bisa dipakai oleh negara berkembang untuk bisa tumbuh lebih cepat. Ya. Dulu pilot project itu selain tadi negara Pan Asia itu adalah Afrika. Sampai dengan saat ini FDI dari China mengambil peran cukup besar di FDI Afrika. Faktor positifnya ada, mereka tumbuh lebih cepat, tenaga kerja terserap gitu ya. Tapi negatifnya adalah relasi antara China, perekonomian China dengan perekonomian mereka akan lebih erat gitu kan.
Meanwhile, Investment Coordinating Board or BKPM reports that China's realized investments from 805 projects between January and June had reached $1 billion. However, total Chinese investment is still well below that of Singapore, Japan, and Hong Kong. BKPM head Thomas Lembong says tax amnesty will increase the appetite for investment in Indonesia. BKPM is confident the government's policies will increase foreign investment flow, helping it reach its 2016 investment target of 594.8 trillion rupiah. Up until June, total realized investment had reached 298.1 trillion rupiah, with 102.5 trillion rupiah coming from local investors and $14.1 billion coming from abroad.